Hi guys, welcome to the Natural Angle. My name is Hitesh and in today's video I am sharing some information about the Indian rock python. Living an average lifespan of around 20 years, do you know that they can get as long as 20 feet and the weight can go up to 91 kgs? The female python lays almost 100 eggs and it takes around 2 to 3 months for the eggs to hatch. The baby pythons make their way out of an eggshell with the help of an egg tooth, which is a small, sharp projection which falls off soon after hatching. Do you know that Indian pythons are non-venomous, but they are carnivores, so they can eat things like small birds, mammals, rodents, and even other snakes or any other reptiles as well. The pythons have a very poor vision, but they have great heat-sensing pits, which enable them to perceive the body heat of other animals. Though they prefer to remain near bank, but Indian pythons are excellent swimmers as well, and if necessary they can remain underwater for many minutes.